In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder tabs in Google Sheets. Reordering tabs can help you streamline your workflow, making your data management more efficient and intuitive. Whether you're organizing projects or setting up monthly reporting, knowing how to navigate tabs efficiently can save you time and keep everything just where you need it. Let's begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you don't have one open yet, simply head over to Google Drive, find the spreadsheet you want to work on, and open it. Once you have your sheet open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the current layout. You'll notice at the bottom of your spreadsheet are the various tabs, each representing a different sheet within your document. Next, click on the tab labeled Sheet 3. This is going to be our starting point for this demonstration. By clicking on a sheet tab, you can bring it into focus, making it easier to interact with its settings and content. Now, with Sheet 3 active, we're going to move it one step to the right. Right-click on Sheet 3 to bring up a menu of options related to the selected sheet. Here, you'll see the option labeled Move Right. Click on it, and you'll observe that Sheet 3 gently slides over, positioning itself after the next tab. The process is quite intuitive, but it's important to note that these actions are all reversible. So, if at any time you wish to reposition a tab again, you can easily do so. Let's now move to Sheet 1. Go ahead and click on Sheet 1 to select it. Just as before, we're going to right-click to open the menu of options. This time, choose Move Left. You'll see Sheet 1 hop to the left, switching places with the tab preceding it. This simple action can be a great way to prioritize or deprioritize sheets based on immediate needs or frequency of access. Now let's return to Sheet 3. Click once again on this tab to make it active. This time, instead of using the contextual menu to move it, we're going to use a different technique, click and drag. Hold down your left mouse button on Sheet 3 and drag your mouse all the way to the right until you reach the end of the row of tabs. Release the button and you'll find that Sheet 3 has now been resituated all the way to the last place in your spreadsheet lineup. This click and drag method offers a visual and tactile approach to tab reordering, giving you direct control over their positions. It's particularly useful when you need to move sheets across several tabs span in one smooth motion. Congratulations, you've successfully reordered tabs in Google Sheets. By mastering these techniques, you can customize your spreadsheet layout to better suit your working style and the requirements of your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made managing your sheets a little bit easier and a lot more efficient.